This presentation is brought to you by GlobalInternet.py, built by Gessner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief. On the evening of June 24, 2026, our surveillance radar, powered by GlobalInternet.py, detected a commercial aircraft crossing Haitian airspace. Its identifier was DWI4401. It was flying at an altitude of 6,385 feet, at a distance of 161.7 kilometers from our ground station. Its position was exactly 18.5481 degrees north and 70.8028 degrees west, meaning above the southern coast of Haiti, very close to the border with the Dominican Republic. This flight is very real. It is a Boeing 737 MAX 8 operated by Arajet, under flight number DM4401, a regular route between San Jose, Costa Rica, and Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. At the time of our detection, it was overflying airspace that belongs to Haiti. But here lies a painful irony. While commercial jets like DWI4401 routinely cross Haitian airspace, the country's main international gateway, Toussaint Louverture International Airport, remains largely closed to the world. 4 months, for most developed countries, commercial flights have been suspended. Yet, American military aircraft continue to operate, and a few private flights to Brazil and Chile are still permitted. The airport is not completely closed, it is selectively open. Why is this happening? Because Haiti is trapped in a cycle of insecurity that makes any normal operation impossible. Without real security for the population, for airport staff, for passengers, no responsible airline will resume its flights. This is the harsh reality facing millions of Haitians abroad, our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. They are stranded, unable to return to their homeland. They cannot visit their aging parents, attend funerals, or simply hold loved ones they haven't seen in years. The airport closure is not just a logistical failure, it is a human tragedy. And yet, just a few kilometers away, across the border in the Dominican Republic, the airports of Punta Cana, Santo Domingo, and Santiago are bustling with activity. Planes take off and land every few minutes. The airspace is free, the airports are open, and the whole world travels through them. But in Haiti, the sky is silent. How can we explain this contradiction? The answer lies not in geography, but in governance. Haiti's political instability has paralyzed the state. While the world's attention is fixed on the 2026 World Cup, the Haitian people are left wondering, when will our airport reopen? When will our diaspora be able to return? When will our nation heal? But we must not rush things. Reopening the airport without first guaranteeing the safety of the population and the security of the airport facilities would be irresponsible. It would put lives at risk, both those of the people living here and those who would want to come back. This video, this single flight track, is proof that the airspace is viable. But it is also a reminder that viability is not enough, we need stability. To the diaspora, I say, watch this, share this. Let it be a signal that the world has not forgotten you, and that your homeland is still watching the skies. Demand action, but also demand security. Only when Haiti is safe for its own citizens will it be safe for visitors. Only then will Toussaint Louverture truly reopen, not as a military base, but as a gateway of hope for all Haitians. This message is brought to you by GlobalInternet.py, an online software company committed to transparency, surveillance, and the power of information. We will continue to watch, we will continue to bear witness. And we will continue to ask, when will the skies over Haiti finally belong to all of us? For any questions, to share your stories, or to support our work, you can reach us by phone at 509 4738 to 5663 or by email at deslandes78@gmail.com. Your voice matters, and we are listening.